This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing video. You can see I have a pack for you guys from Amazon here. It has arrived recently, so I'm gonna share my experience with you guys. Let's see what we have inside. It's a paper pack. We can tear apart directly. Now, let's take this off from here. Lovely. You can see what I have. This is Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Plus version with 8 GB of internal storage with Wi-Fi 6. Coming with remote control, you can see here. And Fire Stick itself, pack. It's fine, lovely packaging of this product here. The tag you have to take out, you see. You can use with Alexa Find, Damas, Alexa Escuche, different way. English, Spanish, different ways written. 4K Ultra Cinematic 4K streaming in different languages written. 4K HD high definition range. Quad-core processor. It has a lovely high quality processor. Personalized entertainment, TV sounded bar. Press and ask Alexa. You can talk with your remote. It comes with a mic. So remote has a mic. Okay, in this case. Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Apple TV, Spotify, Twitch, Amazon Music. You can use HDMI version, this one. More information at the down. Lovely package in this case. So I'm gonna up this one, cut here. I can take out this sticker from middle. Here we go. Fine. After that, I can take this off from here. Lovely packaging. Can drag this out this way. Okay, other way should be. Lovely, beautiful. Can see a pair of battery this side, so we'll go with that. Amazon battery, you can see Amazon basic alkaline battery, not rechargeable. I expected something as rechargeable, whatever. They're not so much expensive these days, but whatever. So here more things. This side, charger, lovely looking charger here, lovely European charger here. Yeah, USB port, 5 watt. The charger is Amazon logo, original Amazon charger in this case. Put one side. I have anything else here? Nothing. The TV stick, Amazon Fire Stick comes out, but we'll go to that later. We'll see what else we have. Here is the remote. We'll open this one later. Here, some more cable we have here. This is main cable. You take this off from here. Don't destroy this thing, because in case if you need to replace or something, change or something, you have to have this one. You see the cable? This will go to your Fire Stick and this will go to your charger. Okay, if your TV coming with this port, so you don't need the charger. Okay, after that, here we have some manual. So how this is Fire TV Stick 4K version. You have to read some literature. Okay, what else? We have some extra cable, I think, here. This one I can take this off from here. Lovely. This is some kinds of converter, HDMI here. Is also HDMI here. So if you can't connect, if you have some problem, you don't have space, so you can use this one. Put here. Here is a Fire Stick. Show you this one later. You can see Fire TV Fire Stick from Amazon. One power. Strange power. This is not C. Okay, this is not C port. I expected something as a C port. This is USB, micro USB. Interesting. Should be C port. Most of them they have C port these days. So I don't know why Amazon is still continue with this old version of port. So here one port, HDMI right in here, this side nothing. UK, this is English version I bought in Spain, so they send me English version from UK. Fire stick, Fire TV is right in. Lovely HDMI. So for this one, this should go here, this side. Connect this one as this. This one you connect if you have a USB port in your TV. You don't need adapter. If you don't have, you can use the power adapter. As this you connect here. Connect here. After that, in case if you can't connect properly, you can add this one for length. You see how it is. So here is fine. Let's go to remote control here. Lovely looking small remote. We have some sticker here, all paperwork, no plastic. Don't see any plastic. These days we take much care of environment in Europe, so everything comes in paper, no more plastic. I take this off from here. Beautiful looking remote, small one. Have some sticker. Take this off. How beautiful small remote. Lovely. The button, the power button. This is a mic button, so you can talk. Lovely advanced remote with the mic. This button 4-way. You can go any direction. Back button, home button. Yeah. See. This could be setting, volume rocker, basic button. In Xiaomi TV stick, there are less buttons than this one. They work the same. See, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, 4 button dedicated. I like this one. Apps button dedicated. You have Disney Plus, Fire stick right in. So very good. All these button is important. You can go directly to these apps without searching them in the dark. Volume mute button, this one is handy as well, plus and minus. Some other functionality behind, you see how it is, the remote. Very good. Okay, you press this side, you open, you can put the battery. Strange phenomena type of battery, both will go in same direction. Interesting. You have a spring same side, normally the one side plus, one side minus. Strange. Okay, something different. Here we go. Hello. Okay, close this one. Close. Lovely. Now feel some weight. Very small the size is, and TV stick is very small as well. Show you again how it is. Very small the size. Very handy small size. Lovely. So beautiful. It has any smart TV. All the TV shows appear here. It's more faster though than my smart TV option. Yeah, let me put any video here in YouTube. See how clear this one is working properly. You can go forward, working very fast and better. Okay, so this is Amazon Fire Stick unboxing, guys. In next video I'm gonna show you how I can set up this one. If you want to see similar video of Xiaomi TV stick and Google Chromecast, check the video description. I have video of those products as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.